Susmit Tripathi, Albert Einstein College of Medicine. So as somebody who is in more the clinical side of things, this workshop has been a great opportunity to learn more about the basic science, especially about some of the current animal models, about some of the current paradigms that are being followed in the basic side of things. So for me, that's been a great way to get some exposure. It's also a very optimistic view of how things are, because a lot of times in neurodegenerative conditions, you get concerned about progress that's being made, and coming to these events really is very reassuring. Neurology patients are always very fascinating. Their problems touch everything in their lives. So one of the biggest things is extending lifespan of patients, but with neurology, you're really looking at the quality of life and the health span that people have. So that has always been a big motivator for me to go into the clinical care of these patients, and also to go beyond that and do research into different modalities and different kinds of techniques that we can use to potentially design new interventions for these patients and try to increase their health span and not just their lifespan. Neurological disease, especially neurodegenerative disease like Alzheimer's, is personally devastating for a lot of patients. And this kind of basic science research is really a substrate through which clinical progress is made. So any kind of donation to these kinds of organizations is so helpful for all of our patients, and it's so greatly appreciated by everybody, not just in the research side of things, but everybody in the clinical side of things, even though they may not be intimately involved with the research that's done immediately.